All that flurry activity has moved out. We're still dealing with the wind. Wind's going to be a big issue, especially through this afternoon. And then tonight is when it's really going to sting out there. We're looking at wind chills as low as 0, possibly even sub-zero out there. So get set for a rather bone-chilling Tuesday. I do have my eyes on the potential for some flurries, some light snow showers here or there, but really not looking like anything's going to stack up on the ground. As we take a look at this wind advisory, it is still in effect for the next 40 minutes, gusts between 45-50 miles per hour. For the second half of the day, we're just jumping out of wind advisory criteria, so more like 40 miles per hour, and then eventually relaxing as the day progresses. So we still have some healthy wind gusts through noon, 29 miles per hour, down to 25 by 8 o'clock this evening. Then the winds really die down tonight, and it is going to be a chilly breeze from the west and northwest, prompting for some really low wind chills out there. The way things stand right now, seeing a little bit of sunshine, gusty breezes. It's freezing out at O'Hare, Midway 35 in Joliet. Gary, it is 34, and also at the freezing mark from Waukegan, Aurora, and Kankakee. Feels like temperatures, though. This is the big kicker right now, feeling like the teens and 20s. If you're going to be out and about later on today, especially by 5 o'clock for that evening drive home, it's going to be feeling as cold as 12, Midway 5, McHenry. So we're already seeing some single digits as we head into this evening, and then it gets even worse overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, as you're getting yourself out the door, the kids ready for school, brace yourselves for some serious cold. Feeling as cold as 1 in Waukegan, 6 O'Hare, and Midway. So a lot of single digit feels like factor out there, and it really doesn't get all that much better in the afternoon. In fact, it's going to be a struggle for things to warm up through the day on Tuesday, but it looks like it's just a short-lived wintry blast as a warming trend will take shape through the rest of the week. So at daytime highs, we already hit that earlier this morning. Falling temperatures through the day today will bottom out with a low of 10 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon, 24. There's a chance for a couple of flurries here or there, mainly during the afternoon and evening. And then here comes the warm up. Above freezing on Wednesday, 35, 42 on Thursday. And then by Friday, 50 degrees. But it is going to be rainy at times, but it looks like all this rain clears out just in time for the weekend.